Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello to everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to show you this experiment to fix these kind of electric geysers instead of a big geyser or heavy duty geysers. These geysers are not very suitable for high flow water, but you can use it for minimum use of like a bucket or in a kitchen to wash your kitchen household things. So I want to show you the how to fix this electric geyser, and I hope you will enjoy it. And it's a bit tricky one, and a few hacks are used to use these geysers, because these geysers are not used in kitchens and other bathrooms. You can use this, as you can see the in this box, that you can use these geysers with direct shower or direct pipe. You cannot use any sort of pipe, any sort of tab to turn it off, but you can turn it off from the inlet to turn it off, the turn off the electric geyser. If you turn off from here or block this geyser from here, it will not turn off and it will be leaked or blown, and its element would be burnt. So I want to show you how to fix these geysers with a tap fixing here, with a few components using to enable this geyser for as other geysers, or as other universal geysers for other bathrooms. So let's go ahead. So guys, this is my newly purchased electric water geyser. So guys, this water geyser is not for the heavy duty use, because you can see the outlet of the pipe. This is a very reduced one, and as well as it is on the pipe, it is looking better rather than the I want to show you the inlet of the this is the inlet or the intake. You can see a teeny hole to get in the water, so you can realize the water pressure from here. You can see my thumbnail, and you can imagine the size of the internal hole to get in the water, get in water. So that's why I said that this water geyser is not appropriate for. You cannot use it by fixing it like other geysers, and I want to use it same like other geysers, which is used for every bathroom. But let me again tell you that this water geyser is not for even a single bathroom. You can use it for just a single tub or single shower like this, as they have sent us a single shower, and you can just use it, and the pressure of this shower is not very good as well. So I want to share this experiment to, if I turn off from here the tab, the geyser should be turned off from this tab. And if you want to stop the water from here, it will be turned off. But if you turn off the water from here, it will not turn off, and it will boil the water, and it will be blown as well. So we can use it for many bathrooms, but the pressure is not very good. And keep remember again and again that this outlet, and as I shown, the inlet of the water is very tiny hole. So you can imagine how much water can it take, and can it provide for the bathrooms, or in the tabs, or in the shower. So I will try it and show you. So let's go ahead. So guys, this is my gasoline geyser. You can see it is burned out, and it is now leaked its radiator, or let me say the pipes, or getting leaked, and now I want to use a couple of things to make this electric geyser, to replace it with this gasoline geyser. Although it's a bit difficult task, but if I get success on this experiment, I will show you, and I will share this video with all of you. So let's see what happens. So what I want to use from this geyser, you can see this is the inlet. The cold water go from here, and it is the outlet, and it return back with the hot water from here. So I want to use this metal, and you can see here the sensor. I want to show you the sensor. Here is the sensor. You can see the light quality is not very good, so I want to turn on the light. So this is the sensor. When the tab is open, the magnetic ball go up and touch with this sensor, and it turn on the geyser. So I want to use this whole pipe with the sensor to enable the electric geyser, to replace it with this gasoline geyser. So I hope I will be successful in this experiment. So let's move ahead. So guys, I have just opened the screws and nuts to open this inlet pipe. I want to use it in the electric water geyser, and you can see I have just bring it out, and it is how I want to use it. It's a bit difficult to use single hand, and this is, so guys, this is the, you can listen, the ball is going up and down. This is with it is working with the water pressure. If the tab is open, the magnetic ball will go up and touch with this sensor, and it will turn on the AC. So I want to use this sensor and this whole pipe with that electric geyser to use every single tab in every bathroom, rather than purchasing these electric geysers for every single tab. And let me again tell you that on the outlet of that geyser, you cannot install a tab here. If you install the tab here and turn off the tab, and it will not stop the electric geyser, and the water will be boiled, and it would be dangerous to be blown. So I want to use this like this. You can see it is the inlet and let me tell you that, like this. So guys, this is the inlet water side, and it will go inside from here, water, and if the tab will be opened from here, the magnetic ball will touch to the sensor. It will turn on by using a heavy relay. I will show you the heavy relay, and I will use this one. This is the electric or magnetic sensor to the geyser. So how it will work, keep in touch with me. Thanks. So guys, welcome back to my final video, and I can show you my hack regarding fixing this electric geyser instead of gasoline geyser. So guys, here I have installed a gasoline geyser, and you can see the mark on the wall and the heat of the gasoline geyser. It was just blown or leaked, and now I want to show you this electric geyser, which you cannot use or fix it on the place where the gasoline geyser works, but you can use this electric geyser with a few tricks or tricks, and I want as earlier that how we can use this electric geyser through this way. So you can see this is the plug of power plug of electric heater. This is my old one gasoline line, and if you can see I open it, the gas will open. So guys, I have used a relay. This is a relay 120 amps. This relay is a very useful component in many eccentrics. So let's back to the topic, that how did I fix this electric geyser. And having said that this geyser cannot be used like this way without these components, one and this one, the second one. As I mentioned earlier, that I have bring it out this component from my gasoline geyser, and you can make by yourself this component. This is a magnetic sensor. The water flows, this is the inlet of the water, and you can see the water flows from here, and there is a ball of magnet. The ball, when the tab is open and the ball goes and touch with this sensor, this is a sensor which can connect both wires, and this relay gets on. So this sensor can turn on the relay, and relay can turn on the geyser. As you can see, this wire and this wire, these both wires are connected with each other by this relay, and the AC will be turned on. So if you don't have this component or this sensor, the sensor is this one. As you can see, two wires are fixed with this black component, and this is called sensor. The role of sensor is that it can connect both wires by this magnet. When the magnet touches it, it connects the both wires, and the relay will be turned on. So if you don't have this pipe or this component, you can make it by yourself. A metal, or you can say it a silver or a copper pipe or a plastic pipe you can use here, and a teeny magnetic ball. You have to put it in this pipe. When you turn on the water, it will go up and touch with the sensor, and sensor will connect the both wires, and it will turn on the relay, and relay will turn on this electric geyser pipe. And if you turn it off from here, or if you cannot block it from here, if you block this or use a tab to block it, it will not turn off, and it will be blown or leaked. So a couple of components are used to turn off it if you block this outlet. So I want to show or demonstrate in front of you, and I hope you will like it. And here we go. This is the cold water inlet, and it goes from here, and it heat the water, and water will come and go to the other bathrooms. So I want to show you how is it work. Now I want to turn on the wall. Now you can see the click of the relay, because the tab of bathroom is opened, and you can see the temperature is getting above. It's now 30, you can see. This is a real video, and it is a very good hack or trick to use these electric geysers in your bathroom. And remember, as I mentioned in my earlier clip, that these geysers are not very suitable for those who want to get shower or want to get a heavy flow of water. But if you want to use this geyser for just bathing or taking bath with the bucket, or you want to use it on your wash basin or in the kitchen, it is a very useful component. So now I want to show you the maximum temperature of the water. It's now 60. I think you can see it. Now it's gonna 61, and I will show you the process of now 62. So guys, I want to show you the practical work of this. So here I want to open this outlet connection, and this is the whole pressure. You can see this is the pressure of the water, and I want to turn it off by my hand, and you will see the relay will turn off. So here I go. I want to turn it off, the water, with my hands. Now you have seen water is just blocked by my hands or my thumb, and I want to show you the like this. Now you have seen it is turned on, and again I want to turn it off. This is the whole demonstration of my hack, and I hope if someone want to use these electric geysers, you can listen the click sound. Here I want to show you how is it work. So guys, I hope you have liked this video, and it would be beneficial for those who want to use these geysers to replace their gasoline geyser, or who want to use these electric geyser as a gasoline or a big electric geyser, which are used for more than a couple of bathrooms. But keep remember that the pressure of this geyser is not very high, and you can use these geysers for a single tap at a time. So I hope you would like this video, and if you like this experiment, so please subscribe my channel. If you have any sort of query, I will try my level best to reply you as soon as possible. So without wasting your time, bye bye.